In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can make a loading screen on Roblox Studio. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into this link because the easiest way for you to get started in creating a loading screen on Roblox Studio is by going for a template right here or a model from other creators. So in my case, I'll be using this one, and I click here on Get Model. And as you can see, this item is now available in the inventory. And I'm gonna go into Roblox. And from here, I should go here into Toolbox, and then I should see the loading screen item right here. Now, what I need to do here is to drag this and put this here into my Explorer. So I'm just gonna go and import this right there, and okay. And I should now be able to see the loading screen right here. Now, what I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna go and put it on this starter GUI right there. So now I have the loading screen here. So now I could now modify this. And now from here is that I'm just gonna go here, click on loading screen. And from here, you wanna go click here on enabled right here so that you'd now be able to see your loading screen, and then you could just modify it from here. Now in here, it could go into background, or you could just select on these individual elements right here that you'd want to change. Like for example, I would want to change this into my game name. So I'm just gonna go and rename this to tutorial game. And then from here, you could also expand this so that we can see better. And I'm just gonna go do it like this. And from here, you have your game title, the display percentage, which you can see right here. You could also modify that, your asset loaded, and then the bar background. Now I'm just gonna modify the name. So instead of this island emoji, I'm just gonna go for a school emoji. And then you can do something like this. And then now I'm just gonna expand this so it doesn't go into a two row right there. And I think this one is good. So I'm just gonna make this into the center right there. And you can also modify a few more elements in here, or you could even add some more if you'd like to. Like if you'd want to add more images, then you can definitely do that in here. But in this case, I'm just gonna create a very simple one. So I'm just gonna, for example, change this color in here into yellow right here, or I can just click here. And as you can see, the background will now change. And yeah, basically you can choose the color that you'd want. In my case, I'll just want something like this. Click on OK. And then you can also edit this bar color. You can go for bar background and go for the bar background color. And then you should now be able to see it change right here, just like that. So yeah, this is how you'd be able to do it. As you can see, it is very simple. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can make a simple loading screen right here. You can customize this however you'd like. You can just add more, or simply delete, or just modify the elements in here. And then once you're finally satisfied, you can test it out by clicking here on this button and see how it would look like on your game. So that's it on how you can do this here on Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching.